Hi all, good morning. Welcome to my other video on decimal fractions. This is from exercise 4C, Selena Conscience Mathematics book for class 7, and this is for ICSE syllabus. I have done question 1 to question 7 in my previous videos. Now I will continue with question 8 and try to complete this entire exercise in this video if it is not time consuming. So if you have any questions or doubts, please mention it in my comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. This is question 8. Evaluate 0.9 the whole square. That is nothing but 0.9 into 0.9. It is actually 81. 9 nines are 81. Sum of the decimal places is 2. Therefore, it becomes 0.81. So, hope you are clear. 0.9 the whole square is equal to 0.81. Alright. The second sum is 0.6 the whole square into 0.5. So 6 into 6 is 36. So sum of decimal places is 2. So it becomes 0.36. So 0.36 into 0.5. So 36 into 5 is 180. Sum of the decimal places is 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So it becomes 0.180. Therefore 0.6 the whole square into 0.5 is equal to 0.15. I'm just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand this calculation. Pretty simple. 0.3 into 0.5 the whole square, 5 square is 25, so 0.5 into 0.5 is equal to 0.25. So 0.3 into 0.25, that is 3 into 25 is 75. Sum of the decimal places is equal to 2, that is 0.25 is 2 plus 5 is plus 3, 0.3 is 1, so it becomes 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3, so it becomes 0.075. Therefore 0.3 into 0.5 the whole square is equal to 0.075. Just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Moving on to the next question, 0.4 the whole cube, that is 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. Sum of the decimal places is 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. Therefore 0.4 the whole cube is equal to 0.064. This is for 0.4 the whole cube. Now the fifth sum is 0.2 the whole cube into 3. So 2 cube is 8. Now sum of decimal places is 3. Therefore 0.2 into 0.2 plus 0 into 0.2 will become 0.008. 0.008 into 5 is equal to 0.040. Sum of the decimal places is equal to 3 plus 0, that is equal to 3. Therefore 0.2 the whole cube into 5 is equal to 0.04. Hope it is clear. Just pausing in for few seconds. Now moving on to the sixth sum, 0.2 the whole cube into 0.05, that is 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2 is equal to 0.008. 0.008 into 0.05 is equal to 0.00040, because the sum of the decimal places is equal to 5. So you just have to do this calculation again and again, and you should be able to master this particular exercise. 0.2 the whole cube into 0.0 into 0.05 is equal to 0.0004. I'm just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Now moving on to question number 9. Find the cost of 36.75 kg wheat at the rate of rupees 12.80 per kg. Total weight of wheat is equal to 36.75 kg. Cost of 1 kg of wheat is equal to 12.80. Therefore, cost of 36.75 kg of wheat is equal to 36.75 into 12.80. I have just done the multiplication here without the points. Just pausing in for few seconds. Sum of the decimal places is equal to 2 plus 2, that's 4. Therefore, the answer becomes 470.400. Therefore, the answer is 470.4. Therefore, cost of 36.75 kg of wheat is equal to 470.4. Just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Now moving on to the 10th sum, Find the cost of a pen is rupees 56.15. Find the cost of 16 such pens. So it is just multiplication. Cost of 1 pen is equal to 56.15. Cost of 16 pens is equal to 56.15 into 16. So 56.15 into 16, you get 89840. The decimal point is 2. Therefore, the answer is 898.40. Therefore, cost of 16 pens is equal to 898.40. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand this question. Okay, let's move on to question number 11, which is very simple. Evaluate 0.0072 divided by 0.06. Now, since we have a decimal point in the denominator, I try to move it and make it a whole number. So when you just go ahead and shift 2 points from left to right, you'll have to shift 2 points from left to right even on the numerator. Therefore, you get 0.72 by 6. So when you simplify, you get 0.12. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand this calculation. Therefore, 0.0072 divided by 0.0072 divided by 0.06 is 0.12. Now I'm just moving on to the second sum, that is 0.621 divided by 0.3. Again, I'm just trying to make a whole number in the denominator. So when you move 1 point from the left to right on the denominator, you'll have to do the same thing on the numerator. So it becomes 6.21 divided by 3. So when you do this, I've just simplified it and you get 2.07. Therefore, 0.621 divided by 0.3 is equal to 2.07. Hope this is clear. Now you have the third sum, 0.0532 divided by 0.05. Same concept, you get 53.2 divided by 5, and when you divide it, you get it as 10.64. So I'm just giving you a pause. 0.0532 divided by 0.005 gives you 10.64. Just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand the calculation. I think you should just view my videos twice or thrice to understand the concept and solve these exercise again and again, and you should become master in this particular exercise. And easy to score, kids. 0.01162 divided by 0.14. Again the same concept. It becomes 1.162 divided by 14. So when you do the division, you get as 0.083. I've done the division for you to understand it without any confusion. Just pausing in for a few seconds. Therefore, 0.01162 divided by 0.14 is equal to 0.083. Now, just pausing in for a few seconds. Next one, 7.5 into 40.4 divided by 25. So use the BODMAS rule which we had used in the previous chapters. So we solve the bracket first. So 75 into 404, you get 30300. Sum of the decimal places is 2. Therefore, it becomes 303.00. I'm just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand my multiplication. So now you do the division. It becomes 303 divided by 25, and when you do a division, you get 12.12. Therefore, 7.5 into 40.4 divided by 25 is equal to 12.12. Hope it is easy and clear. Now, 2.1 divided by 0.1 into 0.1, again following BODMAS, 0.1 into 0.1 is 0.01. Now again 2.1 divided by 0.01. So to just get the numerator and to get the denominator as a whole number, I follow the same principle. So it becomes 210 by 1. That becomes 210. Therefore, 2.1 divided by 0.01 is nothing but 210. Very simple, kiddos. Now let's move on to question number 12. 15 identical articles weigh 31.50 kg. Find the weight of each article. Solution: weight of 15 articles is equal to 31.50 kg. Weight of each article is how much? 31.50 divided by 15. Therefore, it is 2.1 kg. Therefore, weight of each article is equal to 2.1 kg. Just pausing in for few seconds. Question number 13. The product of two numbers is 211.2. If one of these numbers is 16.5, find the other. Product of two numbers is 211.2. One of the number is equal to 16.5. Let the other number be x. That is equal to 16.5 into x. That is equal to 211.2. X is equal to 211.2 divided by 16.5. Using the same principle, it becomes 2012 by 165, and when you divide 2012 by 165, it becomes x is equal to 12.8. The other number is 12.8. Just pausing in for few seconds for you to understand. Question number 14 and the last one. 1 dozen identical articles cost rupees 45.96. Find the cost of each article. Weight of 1 dozen articles is equal to rupees 45.96. Cost of each article is equal to 45.96 divided by 12, and when you do the division you get rupees 3.83. The cost of each article is equal to 3.83. Just pausing in for a few seconds, and I'm sure this exercise is easy and it's completed. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, watch all my videos and subscribe to my videos and share this with your family and friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.